Most people live their lives too loud. They share their goals, post every small win, and wonder why nothing ever changes. But here's the secret. Every time you speak about your plans, you lose power. Every time you chase validation, you give away momentum. The few who vanish from the noise, they grind in silence, rebuild themselves in the shadows, and when they reappear, they're unrecognizable. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disappear the right way, step by step, and why most people fail when they try. Stick around until the end, because the final stage is where 90% collapse. And if you miss it, all your progress will crumble. Step 1, close your mouth. Your biggest enemy is oversharing. Friends, co-workers, even family. The moment you tell them your plans, they plant doubt in your mind. Doubt kills momentum. Instead, become a mystery. Let people think you're boring or quiet. That's fine. The less they know, the more energy you keep. Step 2, protect your plans like passwords. Think of every word you reveal as leaking 5% of your chances of success. Imagine telling 3 people about your dream. You've already lost nearly 15% of the fuel. Keep your blueprints locked. Share only what is absolutely necessary with the rare mentor who can directly move you forward. Step 3, disappear from distractions. This doesn't mean cutting off the world completely. It means creating friction between you and the noise. Delete social apps, stop announcing your goals, limit small talk. This isn't isolation, it's recalibration. Disappearing is useless unless you're building. So once the noise is gone, you need clarity. Pick your target. Be brutally specific. Get fit is vague. Drop 15 pounds, build a lean, defined stomach, and run 5 kilometers without stopping. Now you have a target. Write it, print it, tape it where only you will see. Engineer your environment. Your surroundings shape you more than motivation does. Move closer to the gym. Replace junk food with meal prep. Block websites that waste your time. Don't rely on willpower. Build a system that forces your progress. Embrace pain as the tuition fee. There will be nights you break down, failures that sting, days where quitting feels easier. Here's the psychology trick. Don't run from those moments. Reframe them as proof you're evolving. Every tear, every setback, every rock bottom becomes raw material for your transformation. Here's a mini challenge for you. For the next 7 days, commit to Ghost Mode Light. Day 1, delete 1 distraction app. Day 3, set 1 clear transformation goal. Day 5, block off 1 daily hour only for progress. Day 7, review and recommit for the next week. Drop in the comments, what's your start date? Make it public, so future you can look back and see how far you've come. When progress comes, your first instinct will be to show it off. Post the gym selfie. Brag about the new job. Tell your friends how disciplined you've become. That's the trap. The moment you reveal too soon, you give others the chance to pull you back. Here's the counterintuitive truth. The longer you wait to reappear, the less you'll care about reappearing at all. Because by then you won't need validation. You'll already have proof in your body, in your skills, in your bank account. And that's when the transformation is real. You disappear, you rebuild, and eventually you don't re-enter society for applause. You re-enter because you're ready to operate on a new level, silently powerful, untouchable, unstoppable. So here's your challenge. Set your own transformation timeline. 3 months? 6 months? A year? Comment it below and pin it for yourself. Make it a milestone you can come back to and measure against. Subscribe if you're ready to keep building in silence, because I'll be sharing more tools to help you on the way. Disappear, build, reappear. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching.